Ubersuggest is a great SEO tool in 2015. So if you are doing SEO, if you are affiliate marketer, or if you provide the SEO services in 2015, you really need to know about Ubersuggest. I mean, it's an awesome tool. It's a free tool. You don't have to be pay any cost for that. So let me show you the features that has in Ubersuggest. Ubersuggest is a nail fertile website, nail fertile tool, and it's a free tool. So the features that Ubersuggest has, uh, uh, the features is overview, content ideas, and content keyword ideas. So I mean, if you put a let me show you how would you get the if I click on the overview section, and then as I search on smartwatch, see the search volume, SEO difficulty, paid difficulty, cost per click. So it will show you for free. I mean, you'd be able to see the search volume, SEO difficulty, paid difficulty, and cost per click, and it will also show you the keyword ideas. I mean, mm, it shows all the keyword ideas and search volume, CPC, paid difficulty, and the search difficulty for free. So, and if you want to download all the keyword here, you have to just click on the export to CSV, then all the list will be downloaded. And then and these tool also giving you the content ideas. So if we click on the content ideas, these are the content that that is ranking on this keyword. So but after reading these after reading those article, after watching the after seeing these are these content, and you would be able to get a idea about your content. And then traffic analyzer. The traffic analyzer is like, if you put a website name here, if you put your website name, and then it will show you the traffic you have got, and then top pages, and then top pages of your website, and it also will show you the visitor every pages are you are getting on your website, and the keyword also that your website is getting traffic on each keyword. And traffic, and then SEO analyzer. SEO analyzer is another great feature. I mean, you would be able to audit your website or your client website by using the SEO analyzer. A site audit will show you like all the error your website you need to fix, what what error that you have, and you need to fix it. So it will show you all the problems that your website is facing, like your site, like your meta tag, meta description, your website loading speed, and many more options. So, and the other options, as we can see here, is the backlinks. So it also will show you the number of backlinks you got, or your client website got. So I mean, I don't really found any tool in 2015 for free which is providing that many versus it. Is really great tool. So guys, if you like my video, then give a thumbs up, and share this video if you want your friend to watch this video. And subscribe my channel, cause if you subscribe my channel, then if I upload my next video, then you will get a notified. So thank you guys.